You're not lazy, you're disorganized. And it's probably not your fault. Nobody ever sat you down and showed you the tools that actually make life easier. So today, I'm giving you 7 completely free apps. No subscriptions, no expensive premium plans, just powerful tools that can completely change how you organize your day. I'm Aaron. Let's get into it. First up, Notion. This is the closest thing to a second brain you'll ever have. Notes, tasks, calendars, projects, goals, everything lives in one place. You can build your own workspace from scratch or grab one of the thousands of free templates online and be up and running in minutes. I use Notion for everything: planning YouTube videos, tracking deadlines, organizing ideas, even my grocery list. Seriously, if you've never used it before, start with a simple to-do list. Don't try to build a perfect system on day one. That's where most people give up. Second, Google Keep. This is for the little things. Random ideas, quick reminders, things you know you'll forget 5 minutes from now. It syncs instantly across your phone, your laptop, and your tablet. Everything stays updated automatically. You know when you're in the shower, a brilliant idea pops into your head and by the time you're dressed, it's completely gone? Google Keep fixes that. Open it, record a voice note, done. Third, Todoist. If your current to-do list is just random notes scattered across your phone, this is your upgrade. Set due dates, set priorities, organize projects, create recurring reminders, and get notified before you forget, not after. The free version gives you almost everything a student, a professional, or a solo creator needs. Fourth, Google Calendar. I know, you've heard of it, but most people barely scratch the surface. Here's the trick. Color code your schedule. Work in red, school in blue, personal time in green, meetings in another color. The moment you can actually see your week, instead of reading a long list, everything changes. You stop double booking yourself. You stop missing appointments, and deadlines become much harder to forget. Fifth, Forest. This one is actually fun. You plant a virtual tree. As long as you stay focused, the tree keeps growing. The moment you leave the app to scroll social media, your tree dies. It sounds ridiculous, but it works. It turns staying focused into a game instead of feeling like a punishment. Sixth, Canva. Need to create a presentation, a YouTube thumbnail, a social media post, a flyer, a resume? Canva can do all of it. Thousands of free templates, simple drag and drop editing, no design experience required. Just open it, choose a template, and start creating. And finally, Google Drive. This is where your important files belong. You get 15 gigabytes of free cloud storage. Access your files from almost any device. And if your laptop suddenly stops working tomorrow, your documents, your photos, and your projects are still safe. I've seen people lose months of work because everything was saved on one laptop. Don't let that happen to you. So, let's recap. Notion for organizing everything, Google Keep for quick ideas, Todoist for managing tasks, Google Calendar for planning your week, Forest for staying focused, Canva for creating beautiful designs, and Google Drive for keeping your files safe. You don't need to install all 7 today. Pick 2, use them consistently for 1 week, then add another. Small habits create big results. I'm Aaron. This is Techie Tricks How To. If this video saved you from another forgotten deadline, drop a comment below and tell me which app you are downloading first. Peace.